brothers and sisters of this small planet. When your mind is a little bit disturbed, take deep breathing. Not talking about God, not talking about next life. This very life, just one life. Billion human beings. Everybody, including our enemy, wants peace. But peace not come from sky. Our 21st century will not be easy century. A lot of difficulties come. Destructive actions come from destructive emotions. So now our world needs knowledge about our mind, about our emotions, and how to tackle these emotions. The very purpose of our life is happiness, joyfulness. If you have inner peace, then you achieve happy life.